Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start our today's video. So in this video, we will discuss that in our daily routine we use some words like yes, I don't know and hurry up. So these are our boring words, so we have to use some advanced word instead of using hurry up, yes, and I don't like. So we use definitely in instead of using yes, of course, I don't love to, for sure, exactly. These all words are like awesome if we use in our communication or in our write up. We use uh, get a move on instead of hurry up, get crackling, chop chop, shake a leg, let's pick up the pace. Wow, it sounds so good, so so elegant. It will make like our conversation so advanced. And our next word that we use in our conversation is I don't like it. We use in our regular routine, so we have to use that's not for me instead of using I don't like it. I'm not into it. I dislike it. I pass. I've had enough. So these words will help us to make our communication better, to give a fancy look to our communication. Alright.